The Yamaha SDR200 pictured here is a retro motorcycle with round headlights, new starter model from Yamaha Tuning Fork Company, made by Japanese magazine. A young machine that may be launched in the near future to replace the current starter model, the Yamaha XSR155 has been on sale for a long time. The Yamaha SDR200 render we see here is a fantasy. Created by rumors circulating that the Tuning Fork camp was developing a new engine with a capacity of approximately 200cc to replace the 155cc engine currently used in the company's entry-level, such as the R15 and MT-15, both of which were towed. It's been quite a while, but it hasn't gotten a facelift yet. Previously, the magazine said we have also rendered images of the WR200R, the Enduro model, and the WR200X, the Supermoto model. It is expected to use the same new engine. This will replace the WR155 currently on sale. All these cars will be built on the same basis to reduce development and production costs in order to produce cheap prices. As for the model name SDR200, it is also the name of the two-stroke round carriage tuning fork released in the 1980s, and it is not surprising that they use the old name and resell it according to market trends. However, we believe Yamaha will continue to use the current XSR2R00 code name in its marketing because it is a trademark that is already popular on the market, plus it's also in line with the old cars in the camp. Meanwhile, the new engine specs are currently still limited in number. It is only known that the machine will be a single-cylinder, water-cooled engine with a cylinder volume of around 200cc, but it is not yet certain whether the new engine will be equipped with a VVA, variable valve system, or not. In terms of power, it should be more than 20 horsepower according to the increase in capacity. Additionally, information from the magazine also suggests that the new models in this family will have a production base in India where 200cc class bikes are popular, but we have to see if they will also be produced in the ASEAN zone to reduce sales costs in areas that are considered other large markets.